Welcome to our beginner's guide to Pinterest affiliate marketing. In today's digital landscape, leveraging social platforms for affiliate marketing has become a powerful strategy for earning passive income. And when it comes to visual platforms, Pinterest stands out as a goldmine for affiliate marketers. Whether you're new to affiliate marketing or looking to expand your strategies, Pinterest offers a unique opportunity to showcase products and drive traffic to your affiliate links in a visually appealing way. In this video, we'll take you through the fundamentals of Pinterest affiliate marketing, from setting up your account to optimizing your pins for maximum engagement and, ultimately, boosting your affiliate commissions. Join us as we unlock the secrets of Pinterest affiliate marketing and learn how you can turn your pins into profit-generating assets. Affiliate marketing on Pinterest can be a lucrative venture if done correctly. Here's a beginner's guide to getting started. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's or company's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. Commission structure: typically, you earn a percentage of the sale or a fixed amount per sale. Set up your Pinterest account, create a business account. If you haven't already, set up a Pinterest business account. Optimize profile: use keywords relevant to your niche in your profile description and include a link to your website or landing page. Choose your niche: choose a niche that aligns with your interests and has products you can promote. Research trends: look for popular topics and products on Pinterest to get an idea of what people are interested in. Join affiliate programs: find affiliate programs. Look for affiliate programs in your chosen niche. Many companies offer affiliate programs, including Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, CJ Affiliate, and others. Apply: once you find suitable programs, sign up and wait for approval. Create compelling pins. Visual appeal: Pinterest is a visual platform, so create eye-catching pins that stand out. Rich pins: use rich pins where possible to provide additional information like product prices, availability, and descriptions. Use templates: consider using design templates or tools like Canva to create professional-looking pins. Write engaging descriptions. Keyword optimization: use relevant keywords in your pin descriptions to improve visibility. Call to action: encourage users to click on your pins by including a clear CTA. Problem solution approach: highlight how the product solves a problem or meets a need. Create boards. Organize pins: create boards based on different categories or themes related to your niche. Mix content: include a mix of your affiliate products along with other relevant content to keep your boards engaging. Analyze and optimize: track performance. Use Pinterest analytics to monitor the performance of your pins and boards. Optimize strategies: adjust your pinning strategy based on what types of content perform best. Disclose affiliate relationships. FTC compliance: ensure compliance with FTC guidelines by disclosing your affiliate relationships in your pins or profile. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments: engage with users who interact with your pins by responding to comments and messages. Build community: foster a sense of community by repinning content from others and collaborating with influencers in your niche. Create tutorial pins: develop tutorial-style pins that provide step-by-step guides or tutorials related to your niche. Incorporate affiliate links to products or services mentioned in the tutorials. These pins not only provide value to users but also drive traffic to your affiliate partners. Offer exclusive promotions: collaborate with affiliate partners to offer exclusive promotions or discounts to your Pinterest audience. Create pins highlighting these special offers and drive traffic to your affiliate partner's website using unique affiliate links. Curate gift guides: create seasonal or themed gift guides relevant to your niche. Include a variety of products with affiliate links that your audience would find valuable. Promote these gift guides on Pinterest, especially during peak shopping seasons like holidays or special occasions. Host contests or giveaways: organize contests or giveaways on Pinterest where participants have to engage with your pins or boards to enter. Partner with affiliate brands to provide products or services as prizes. This not only drives engagement but also introduces your audience to affiliate products in a fun and interactive way. Create infographics: design infographics related to topics or trends within your niche. Incorporate affiliate links subtly within the infographic to products or services mentioned. Infographics are highly shareable on Pinterest and can attract a wide audience, driving traffic to your affiliate partners. Promote membership programs: partner with affiliate programs that offer membership or subscription-based services. Create pins that highlight the benefits of these programs and include affiliate links to encourage sign-ups. Membership programs often offer recurring commissions, providing you with long-term earning potential. Utilize Pinterest ads. Invest in Pinterest ads to promote your affiliate content to a broader audience. Create engaging promoted pins that lead users to your affiliate products or landing pages. Target your ads effectively to reach users interested in your niche, maximizing your ROI. Offer consultation services. If you're an expert in your niche, offer consultation services related to your area of expertise. Create pins that promote your consultation services, linking to a landing page where users can learn more and book sessions. Use affiliate links to recommend tools or resources during your consultations, earning commissions on any resulting sales. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with influencers in your niche to promote affiliate products or services. Create joint pins or boards with influencers, reaching their followers and expanding your audience. Split the affiliate commission with the influencer as a mutually beneficial arrangement. Diversify your affiliate programs. Don't limit yourself to a single affiliate program. Explore multiple programs within your niche to diversify your income streams. Test different affiliate products and services to see which ones resonate best with your audience. Keep an eye on emerging affiliate opportunities and trends to stay ahead of the curve. Choosing a profitable niche on Pinterest, as with any online platform, requires careful consideration of various factors. Here's a guide to help you identify profitable niches on Pinterest. Research popular niches: health and wellness, fitness, weight loss, healthy recipes, mental health, beauty and fashion, makeup tutorials, skincare routines, fashion trends. Home decor and DIY, interior design ideas, home organization tips, DIY projects. Personal finance, budgeting tips, saving strategies, investing advice. Travel guides, destination recommendations, budget travel tips. Parenting and family, parenting advice, child development tips, family-friendly activities. Assess market demand. Use tools like Pinterest Trends, Google Trends, and keyword research tools to identify popular topics and search trends. Look for niches with a large and engaged audience base on Pinterest. Consider your interests and expertise. Choose a niche that aligns with your interests, passions, or expertise. Your genuine enthusiasm for the niche will make it easier to create compelling content and engage with your audience. Evaluate profitability. Research the monetization potential of your chosen niche. Explore affiliate programs, sponsored content opportunities, product sales, and other monetization methods relevant to your niche. Analyze competition. Evaluate the competition within your chosen niche on Pinterest. Look for gaps or underserved areas where you can offer unique and valuable content. Test and iterate. Start by creating content within your chosen niche and analyzing its performance. Pay attention to engagement metrics, such as repins, clicks, and comments. Experiment with different content formats, styles, and topics to see what resonates best with your audience. Build your brand. Develop a consistent brand identity and voice across your Pinterest profile and other online platforms. Focus on providing value to your audience through helpful, informative, and visually appealing content. High-quality visuals. Use high-resolution images and graphics that catch the viewer's attention. Opt for bright, colorful visuals that stand out in the Pinterest feed. Maintain consistency in your branding and visual style across all pins. Compelling titles and descriptions. Write clear, descriptive titles that entice users to click on your pins. Use relevant keywords in your pin titles and descriptions to improve discoverability. Include a call to action encouraging users to learn more or take action. Solve problems and provide solutions. Identify common pain points or problems within your niche and offer solutions through your affiliate products. Highlight the benefits and features of the products you're promoting and how they address specific needs or desires. Showcase lifestyle and aspirations. Appeal to users' aspirations and desires by showcasing how your affiliate products fit into their ideal lifestyle. Use lifestyle imagery and scenarios to demonstrate the value of the products in real-life situations. Create how-to guides and tutorials. Develop step-by-step guides or tutorials related to your niche using a combination of images and text. Incorporate affiliate products as recommended tools or resources within the tutorials. Provide valuable insights and actionable tips that genuinely help your audience. Curate product collections and gift guides. Create curated collections or gift guides featuring a selection of affiliate products. Organize the products by theme, price range, or occasion to make it easier for users to find what they're looking for. Highlight the unique selling points of each product and why it's a great choice for your audience. Use rich pins and product pins. Utilize Pinterest's rich pins and product pins to provide additional information, such as product prices, availability, and descriptions. Rich pins enhance the user experience and make it easier for users to make purchasing decisions. Incorporate storytelling. Tell a compelling story around the products you're promoting to create an emotional connection with your audience. Share personal anecdotes, testimonials, or user experiences to illustrate the value of the products. Test and optimize. Experiment with different types of content, pin designs, and messaging to see what resonates best with your audience. Monitor the performance of your pins using Pinterest Analytics and make adjustments based on the data. Continuously refine your content strategy to maximize engagement and affiliate revenue. Disclose affiliate relationships. Ensure compliance with FTC guidelines by clearly disclosing your affiliate relationships in your pins and profile. Transparency builds trust with your audience and enhances your credibility as a content creator. And there you have it. We hope you found this beginner's guide to Pinterest affiliate marketing insightful and empowering. Remember, success in affiliate marketing is all about consistency, creativity, and providing value to your audience. If you enjoyed this video and want to dive deeper into the world of affiliate marketing, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And don't forget to like and share this video with fellow aspiring affiliate marketers. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy pinning and happy earning.